Peel garlic like a pro. Wow! Don't do this. Cut a small opening in the side so you can remove the cable ties without them all falling out. Don't throw empty potato chip tubes away. Check out how you can recycle it usefully. After using the paint roller, you can put it away quickly and the paint will not dry out on it between coats. Can't unscrew the hose fitting using your hands or pliers? Do this. Here's how to cover pastries without crushing them. Film lid won't open properly? First, rub the lid like this. Much better. Up for some DIY lamination? You just need some clear Scotch tape. Perfect. To combat unpleasant odors in the bathroom, try pouring a capful of mouthwash into the toilet bowl. Perfumes the environment with every flush. Put it down the sink drains, too. Make cleaning easier by using a detergent basket. Use the handles to easily dispense cleaning bags. Don't do this. This is the right way to refill the ice cube tray. If your scissors are blunt, use aluminum foil to sharpen the blades. Check out the difference!